Okay, so you can see here the question number 4B, the price. This price should be selling price. Okay, you SP हुनु पर्छ. यो selling price हो. यो selling price भएकै कारणले यसमा के भयो त भ्याट लागेको छ. भ्याट लागेपछि 1921 भयो. जुन प्राइसमा भ्याट लेभिड हुन्छ, okay, that price is selling price. Okay, so don't be confused here. यहाँ चाहिँ अब the price of a fan is RS 1700 भनेको यो this is the selling price, you have to understand. Okay, यो selling price हो भनेर बुझ्नु पर्यो. किन selling price हो भनेर बुझ्ने, किन भन्दा कस्टमरले त्यो प्राइसमा भ्याट लागे पछाडी 1921 मा किनेको छ, त्यही भएर this should be a selling price हुनु पर्छ. ओके, क्वेशनको कन्डिसन अनुसार पनि हामीले यसरी बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ है. ओके, so we can write here, यहाँ price of a fan भनेको हामीले यसलाई you can write here SP. Okay, SP लेख्न मिल्छ. So write here given for a fan. Okay, for a fan you have to write here for a fan. यो भनेको price of a fan भनेको छ. You can write here selling price. That is the selling price of a fan. Selling price of a fan SP is equals to RS 1700. Okay, selling price of a fan SP is equals to RS 1700. Customer pays भनेको that is the SP with VAT. Okay, yeah, with VAT भनेको चाहिँ with VAT. So SP with VAT, SP with VAT is equals to RS 1921. And what we are asked here, we are asked to find here the rate of VAT. Rate of VAT भनेको VAT percent. Okay, rate of VAT means VAT percent. VAT percent is equals to what? Okay, rate of VAT means VAT percent is equals to what? Okay, अब यो rate of VAT को formula, VAT percent को formula, okay, you know. है, VAT percent को formula you know. Now, यसमा Adarsh is asking me page number. Page number is 38. Adarsh, look at there, right? Page number is 38. 38 page number ma question number 4B. Okay, you can see there question number 4B in page number 38. So rate of VAT, VAT percent is equals to what? अब VAT percent को formula VAT amount by SP into 100%. Okay, so first of all we have to find here VAT amount. VAT amount ne find out करो है. Okay, so now VAT amount. Now VAT amount. Okay, simply you can write here VAT. VAT amount. VAT is equals to यो फर्मुला अनुसार हेर्नु पर्यो है. यहाँ फर्मुला VAT amount को फर्मुला त अब हामीलाई VAT percent of SP पनि हुन्छ. ओके, अर्को फर्मुला हुन्छ SP with VAT minus SP पनि हुन्छ है. रिमेम्बर दैट फर्मुला. हामीलाई चाहिँ यो यसमा के गिवन छ त? SP with VAT is given and SP is given. So you have to use this formula. SP with VAT, okay, minus SP. This formula you have to use, okay? SP with VAT minus SP. So what is SP with VAT? SP with VAT is RS 1921 and then minus, what is SP? SP is RS 1700. Okay, so if we subtract here, then we'll get here 221. Okay, we'll get here 221. 1921 minus 1700 भनेको we'll get here 221. Okay, VAT amount we found. Again, we are asked to find here the rate of VAT. So you can write here again rate of VAT. Again, rate of VAT is equals to formula is VAT amount divided by SP into 100%. Okay, so let's put here the value for VAT amount. VAT amount भनेको त 221 divided by SP means 1700 into 100%. Okay, ल यसमा अब यो 2 zeros we can cancel. र यहाँ हामीले simply अब 221 लाई 17 ले डिवाइड गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, 221 divided by 17 is equals to 13%. So you can see here question number 9A, after allowing 20% discount on the marked price of the computer, 15% VAT was levied on it. Okay, यहाँ चाहिँ हामीलाई marked price, it is not given here. Marked price is not given. Okay, if its price becomes as 26,496, okay, this price becomes after after allowing discount and levying 15% VAT. Okay, so this is the SP with VAT. यसरी बुझ्नु पर्यो किन भन्दा यो प्राइस कति बेला आएको छ 20% डिस्काउन्ट दिएर 15% VAT लेभिड गरिसके पछाडि यो अमाउन्ट आएको छ भने दिस इज द SP with VAT. What amount was levied as the VAT भनेको चाहिँ VAT amount find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. अब यहाँ VAT amount find out गर्नलाई we don't need here marked price है. Marked price हामीलाई चाहिँदैन. Simply हामीलाई SP with VAT थाहा छ. SP थाहा हुने बित्तिकै we can find the VAT amount. Okay, so SP with VAT is none. VAT percent is also none. From there we can find the SP. Okay, so let's solve this one. So given, let's write here given. What is the article here? Okay, article is for a computer. You have to write here for the computer. Okay, for the computer. What are the things given here? Discount percent given here. Okay, discount percent is given. Discount percent, that is D percent is equals to sorry, it is given here 20%. Okay, discount percent D percent is given. यसको use हुँदैन यहाँ. Okay, यो question मा यसको use हुँदैन. Discount percent को कुनै use छैन. 15%. VAT percent is given here 15%. SP with VAT is also given here. SP with VAT. Okay, SP with VAT is RS 26,496. Okay, this is the SP with VAT. And what we are asked here, what amount was levied as the VAT? भनेको VAT amount सोधेको. What amount was levied as the VAT means VAT amount is equals to what? VAT amount is equals to what? Okay, so this is asked here. So for this, first of all, we are going to find here the SP. Okay, now we'll use the formula for SP with VAT. Now SP with VAT is equals to, okay, SP with VAT is equals to SP plus VAT percentage of SP. This we can write. SP with VAT is equals to SP plus VAT percentage of SP. So let's write here. What is SP with VAT? 26,496. Okay, SP as it is. Then VAT percent is 15%. Okay, of SP as it is. So this is 26,496 is equals to SP, then plus 15 upon 100, okay, into SP. So what is the next step to do? You know that 26,496 is equals to, we have to take the LCM. 100 into SP is 100 SP. Then plus 15 SP we can write. Then divided by 100. Okay, so now this 100 will multiply with this 26,496. Okay, it will be 26,496, then 2 zeros. 100 plus 15 means this is 115, then SP. Okay, now we can find the value for SP. Ab SP ko value aउँछ है. So we can write here, this is 26,49,600. 26,49,600 is divided by 115. 115 comes this side and it will divide. This is equals to SP. Okay, so now let's divide it. So we got here 23,040. 23,040 is equals to SP. Okay, therefore SP is equals to RS 23,040. SP we found. अब SP find out गरिसके पछाडि त अब हामीलाई VAT amount find out गर्न गाह्रो छैन. Okay, again we can find your VAT amount. Again VAT amount. Again VAT amount is equals to, simple formula is SP with VAT minus SP. SP with VAT minus SP. SP with VAT, you can see here 26,496. 26,496, then minus SP we just found here. Okay, this is 23,040. Okay, now find the difference. Okay, we'll get here as 3,456. Okay, 3456. So this is the answer. Now you can write the conclusion. Hence RS 3456 is levied as the VAT. Okay, levied as the VAT. In this way, this question number 9A is completed, right? Now, number 7A, a retailer allows 15% discount on the marked price of an electric fan. Okay, marked price is not given here. We have to find it. If a customer pays Rs 2244 with 10% VAT, with VAT, this is the SP with VAT. SP with VAT is given, VAT percent is also given. From there we can find SP. SP discount percent, then we can find the MP. Okay, two formula we are going to use here. Okay, two formulas. So what are given here? First of all, let's write. Okay, so we can write here given for an electric fan. We can write here for an electric fan. Okay, for an electric fan, what is given here? Discount percent is given. So write here discount percent. Discount percent, that is D percent is equals to 15%. Okay, discount percent is 15%. Then if a customer pays, customer with VAT pay गर्ने amount भनेको SP with VAT. SP with VAT is equals to Rs 2244. Okay. So then what is the VAT percent? VAT percent is also given here. VAT percent. Okay, VAT percent is given here 10%. Now, which formula we are going to use here? SP with VAT formula. SP with VAT. Okay, SP with VAT is equals to SP plus VAT percent of SP. Okay, SP plus VAT percent of SP. So what is SP with VAT? SP with VAT is 2244. This is equals to SP we have to find. So as it is SP plus, then VAT percent means it is given here 10%. 10% of SP. So let's write here. This is 2244 is equals to, now this one is SP plus 10 upon 100 into SP. Okay. So we have to take your LCM. Write this as it is, and then in the RHS we have to take your LCM. LCM what will be the LCM? 100 will be the LCM. Okay, and then plus 10 SP divided by 100 we can write. Okay, now we have to multiply here 100 with this 2244. If we multiply here, we'll get here 2244 and 2 zeros is equals to 100 plus 10 means 110 SP. Okay, 110 SP. So now this 110 will divide here, right? About 110 will divide. So we can write here, this is 2,24,400. 2,24,400 divided by 110. 110, this is equals to SP. Okay, or this what we'll get here if we divide. Okay, we'll get here 2040 is equals to SP. Okay, therefore SP is equals to Rs 2040 we found here. Rs 2040. Again, SP is equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. Okay, this is the formula. SP is equals to MP minus discount percentage of MP. So what is SP? We just found here 2040 MP as it is, because we have to find the value for MP. MP ka value find out. So MP as it is minus a discount percent. So right here 15% of MP as it is. So this will be 2040 is equals to MP minus 15 divided by 100 into MP. Okay, now step you have to take your LCM. 100 will be the LCM. Okay, every time I'm questions are and every time you are getting their 100 LCM. 100 into MP is 100 MP, and then minus 15 MP. Okay, now this 100 will multiply this side. This will be about 2040, then 2 more zeros. If 100 will multiply with this, then 100 MP minus 15 MP means 85 MP. Okay, now this is 2,04,4000 divided by 85 is equals to MP. Okay, now let's find the value. We got here 2400. This is equals to MP. Okay, therefore MP is equals to RS 2400. Okay, so now you can write the conclusion. Hence the mark price of the fan is RS 2400. Hence the mark price of the fan is RS 2400. Okay, as the mark price of the fan is RS 2400. In this way, question number 7A is completed. Okay, you can see here question number 15A. When a pen is sold at a discount of 15%, there is a gain of RS 10. Okay, this is one sentence, and this is one condition of a question also. You one condition ma ke cha, यदि pen लाई 15% discount मा बेच्ने हो भने profit 10 आउँछ, 10 rupees आउँछ भनेको, profit amount 10 rupees आउँछ. This is one condition. Okay, अब अर्को condition के छ, but if it is sold at 25% discount, अब बढी discount दियो, 25% discount दियो भने there is a loss of RS2. Okay, loss हुन्छ त्यस पछाडी. 25% discount दिनु भनेको त धेरै छुट दियो नि त, धेरै छुट दिँदाखेरि loss भयो RS2. Okay, that is the loss amount. Find the mark price of the pen. अब यहाँ हामीलाई mark price of the pen सोधेको छ, तर दुवै condition को लागि mark price will be same. Okay, किन भन्दा condition मात्रै different हो. Mark price त एउटै हो, एकबाट 15% discount दियो र त्यही mark price मा अर्कोबाट 25% discount दियो. Okay, so that is the difference. त्यति केस मात्रै different हो, otherwise mark price is same for both conditions. Okay, so let's start to solve it. Okay, given first of all you can write here first condition. Okay, first condition for a pen you can write here for a pen. Okay, first condition for a pen. For a pen को लागि हामीले त mark price त suppose गर्नु पर्ने छ यहाँ. Okay, because for both condition mark price will be same. Okay, for a pen, let the mark price of the pen, let the pen be RSX. Okay, let the mark price of the pen be RSX. Therefore, you can write here marked price that is MP. Mark price MP is equals to RSX. You can write. Okay, what are other conditions given here? Discount percent. Okay, that is D percent is equals to 15%. Discount percent is given here 15%. There is a gain of RS10 means profit amount. That is profit amount. Okay, profit amount P is equals to RS10. Now SP is equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. Okay, so use here MP means X. X minus discount percent means 15% of X. So X minus 15 divided by 100 into X. यसलाई हामी डेसिमल मा फाइन्ड आउट गरौँ है. X minus 0.15 X. So this will be 0.85 X. Okay, X बाट हामीले minus 0.15. If we subtract, we'll get here 0.85. Okay, so 0.85 X is the SP. ल फर्स्ट कन्डिसन. अब सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनमा यो सम्झिराख्नु पर्यो है, 25% डिस्काउन्ट छ, लस 2 छ भनेर चाहिँ सम्झिराख्नु पर्यो, बिकज वी हैव टु राइट लेटर अन. सो वी फाउन्ड हियर SP थाहा भइसक्यो. अगेन व्हाट वी क्यान राइट हियर. अब प्रॉफिट अमाउन्ट छ, यसमा प्रॉफिट अमाउन्ट छ भने प्रॉफिट अमाउन्ट अगेन P is equals to, you know the formula, SP minus CP. Okay, P is equals to SP minus CP. So what is profit amount? Profit amount is 10. 10 is equals to SP means 0.85. 0.85x minus CP. Okay. CP, let's take this side CP. Therefore, CP is equals to, we found here, CP is equals to 0.85x. Then 10 goes this side. This will be minus 10. So CP we found here 0.85 minus 10. Okay. Your first condition ma हामीले यतिसम्म गर्नु पर्यो. CP we have already found. अब यो CP हामीले directly we can use here in the second condition. Second condition मा directly यही CP राख्न पाइन्छ है. किन भन्दा सेम आर्टिकल को CP र MP मा एउटै ट्रान्ज्याक्सन मा केही फरक पर्दैन, एउटै हुन्छ. जबसम्म क्वेशनले डिफरेन्ट भनेको छैन भने तबसम्म CP र MP भनेको एउटै हुन्छ है. ओके. Okay, second condition is still for a pen नै हो. Okay, marked price the same नै भइहाल्छ. Marked price that is MP is equals to RSX. CP is also same. Cost price that is CP is also okay same. यहाँ जति given छ फर्स्ट मा त्यही हो है. 0.85x minus 10. What we have calculated here? कति क्याल्कुलेट गरेका छौं? कस्ट प्राइस त्यति नै हुन्छ. अब डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट, रिमेम्बर सेकेन्ड कन्डिसन को लागि डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट, okay, that is D%, 25%. This is from the question मा छ है 25%. डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट is 25%. अब 25% डिस्काउन्ट दिँदा लस हुन्छ. So loss amount L is equals to RS2 was given there. Okay. So from here also what we are going to find here, फेरि हामी SP find out गर्दै छौं. सेकेन्ड कन्डिसन को SP हो है. यसरी सेकेन्ड कन्डिसन को SP, okay, CP we know. त्यसपछि okay, again SP is equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. Okay, MP minus discount percent of MP. What is MP here? X minus 25% of X. Okay, so it will be X minus 25 divided by 100 into X. Okay, so X minus you divide गर्दा 0.25X minus गर्यौं भने 0.75X. SP we found. Okay, SP थाहा भयो, CP पनि थाहा छ, loss पनि थाहा छ. Again we can use the formula for loss. So use here again. L भनेको loss है. Loss भनेको के हुन्छ त? CP minus SP. What is loss? Loss is 2. CP 0.85x minus 10. And what is SP? SP is minus 0.75x. Okay. So from this relation we are going to find the value of x. त्यो नै हाम्रो आन्सर हुन्छ है. So we can write here 2 is equals to, यहाँ कति छ त अब? 0.85 minus 0.75. Okay, 0.85 बाट 0.75 minus गर्यो भने त we'll get 0.1 आउँछ. Okay, भनेको अर्थ 0.10 हो. त्यसलाई हामीले सिम्पली 0.1 लेख्न मिल्यो. 0.1x minus 10. Then 10 will comes this side. 2 plus 10 is equals to 0.1x. Okay, then we can write here 12 is equals to 0.1x. Okay, so 12 divided by 0.1, this is equals to x. 12 लाई 0.1 ले divide गर्यो भने we'll get here 120. 120 is equals to x. Okay, therefore x भनेको त हामीले MP suppose गरेको हो. So MP is equals to RS 120. Okay, so what is the mark price of the pen? भनेर सोधेको छ. Hence the mark price of the pen is, hence the mark price of the pen is RS 120. Okay, so in this way we completed here question number 15A.